Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but I've been busy converting a camper van together with my dad, and like most of you, I've taken a involuntary break from travel. But the van's finished and I've started what is going to be a huge European road trip. So right now I'm still in Belgium, which is my home country, and I'm in an area called the High Fens. It's basically a huge area of wetlands, and there's like a few trails going through the area here, mostly on these wooden boards. It's actually really nice, and it doesn't even feel like you're in Belgium because it's such a surreal landscape. So the High Fens Nature Reserve is also known for its dark skies. So it's one of the darkest areas in Belgium. And that's actually why I'm here, because the forecast is that the next few nights, and hopefully also tonight, we should have clear skies. So I'm hoping to photograph the Milky Way here. So this is actually my first time here, and that's why right now I'm having a walk on the trail and just seeing what catches my eye, so I can come back to it later when hopefully the Milky Way is up in the sky and I can grab some cool shots. So I just decided to turn around and head back the same way, because this trail just keeps going in the same direction. And I checked where the Milky Way would be at a good time, and it should be southwest, and it didn't look like there's a lot going on there. So yeah, I'm heading back the same way, and I saw a trail that leads towards the southwest. So I'm heading that way, going down the trail, and see if I can find something else. Okay, I'm heading back to the van now, because that other trail didn't really work out, and sunset's in about 2 hours or so. So yeah, I'm gonna relax, have some dinner, and wait for the sun to set, and fingers crossed, hopefully we get some Milky Way action later on. Home sweet home. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I was wondering whether or not I should do a van tour video. So let me know in the comments down below if you're keen to see a van tour video. Okay guys, so it's dark, and I'm on the way to the spot I had in mind to take some photos. One thing I didn't really think of is that it's pretty much a full moon tonight, so I'm not actually sure if we're going to be able to see anything, if we're going to be able to capture the Milky Way. But the moon is out, so that might be cool as well. So we'll just go check it out. Okay, so yeah, quite dumb of me to not check the moon. But yeah, there's no Milky Way. It's just not dark enough. The moon's really bright. I think it's probably a full moon. But yeah, I'm trying some things out with the moonlight, and that looks pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue, take some more photos, and if any of them are any good, I'll show them to you right now. Anyway, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Note to self, check the moon if you go out to shoot the Milky Way. Can't believe I made that rookie mistake. But yeah, I think all in all we got a few okay photos. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.